We are back for day 3. So far we've built a YouTube title maker, a YouTube description maker, and we're going to take a break on building YouTube type stuff. Today I wanted to build an idea that will help name these GPTs faster that we're building. So a GPT namer. Basically what I want to do is create something that I can put in like this craft detailed YouTube video description and then get a name. Oops. So let's go ahead and get into it. I've got a blank one here. Normally I would start with create just to show you. I've done that a few times, so I'm going to go straight into configure. And we'll actually use this to name it. So I'm going to give it something very basic right now. And then tell it what I want it to do. So you are an AI that names GPTs, custom built GPTs. The user, you only take in 1 to 3 sentence descriptions of GPTs. If someone sends you something else or asks you a question on related GPTs, please respond with, I don't do that. Give me a GPT description so I can name it. When you take in a 1 to 3 sentence description, create a name that is unique, creative, that's unique. Should be either 1, 2, or 3 words long. It should have some tangential reference of the service it provides. Let's just start here. I gotta sneeze. Dang, sorry about that. All right, so that's a basic start. Let's close it and see what happens. Message GPT namer. Let's use, I wonder if I can copy craft detailed YouTube video descriptions. Let's just see what happens. Vid scripter AI. So quick, it gets the gist of it. This isn't exactly what we want, but for now, GPTs for users. Let's see what we get. Meta namer AI. It has this tendency to put stuff together like this. Oh shit, I'm in inspect because of fucking... Why can't I click on any of this? Yeah, I'm trying, with the whole recording thing and the YouTube thing, I'm trying to figure out how to size the window right. So I'm using inspect. It's a fucking nightmare, but we'll just roll with it. I can't really copy stuff. Okay, so let's go and explore some companies that are named really well. I'm looking to do research on companies that are named extremely well. They should be 1, 2, or 3 named companies, and their name should be unique and relevant to the service they provide. Sweet. So that automatically does Bing. This ChatGPT plus or GPT-4, ChatGPT-4, which is what you get when you pay for ChatGPT Plus. If for some reason you're watching this and you want to do something similar, you can't really get access to this stuff without paying $20 a month. Well worth it. It's great for searching the internet instead of having to dig through a bunch of links Ideally, it should just give us some great names. And what I want to do with this is take the names, get 1 to 3 sentence descriptions of them, and then offer those as examples in the custom instructions. So what we're really trying to do is give the GPT examples of how it should be naming stuff, and then ideally we'll get less vidscriptor AIs and more stuff like Describio, you know? Oh, nice. I didn't know Google was originally a play on Gogol. Cisco, short for San Francisco. I like these. Skype, shortened from Sky peer-to-peer, then Skyper, and finally to Skype. Oh, love this. Oh, they just pulled so many examples. All right. Twitter. So let's go. Thanks. Take these numbers. So let's do Google. I like the name Cisco. Let me play well. Let's do 7. Ooh, I like how Reebok's named. I like the Verizon takes Latin. Let's do Amazon. Amazon does well, so let's do Amazon. There we go. 24. I want for each, could you list a 1-sentence breakdown of why it's named that way? And then on a separate line, give a 1, 2, or 3 sentence description of what service they provide. So what we'll do is, hopefully if this spits everything out right, can copy most of it and just paste it over into the instructions as examples. Nice. I might make some creative edits on the instructions, but it's kind of wild once you get good at asking questions in the right way quickly, how fast you can build stuff, especially with GPTs being no code. Like, if you know how to pull the right information and know what you want to build, it's pretty solid. And they pulled in, they're doing all of them. 1, 2, 7, 8. So what we could do is, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to get too hung up on it. Also, it's putting the same number on all of them. But it gave us ASUS, which I don't think we asked for. No, I guess I did. Whoops. And it gave us Lego, which I didn't ask for. Doesn't fucking matter at the end of the day. Alright, copied. Here is a list of example names with a sentence on why it's named that way, and a description of their GPT. I'm going to pretend like it's their GPT, so use these as inspiration for naming GPTs. And then let's just do a little, can I paste? There we go. I'm gonna take out, oh, no, yeah, let's take out these numbers, fuck that. You can also see one thing it does is use Markdown. So these asterisks are the bold. This just shows it that that would be bold. You can keep that in. I mean, it'll understand you don't necessarily need it, but boom, there we go. You're an AI that named custom-built GPTs. Boom. A GPT that names other GPTs based on a brief description. See what we got. So what you take in, let's take out just 1 to 3 sentences. It's got to be confusing. Take in description. Take in a description of a GPT. Oh, what is an apple? Let's see what it answers with. I forgot about that. I don't do that. Search the web for the latest news. Great, I forgot I did that. Solid. I also realized after reading the script of this, I use IA way too much. We don't need Dolly because it's if somebody tries to generate an image, it won't let them. It should be... So let's just change some of this. Short. Should be short. And it should not be CamelCase like. So CamelCase is this where you have like they're all together, but the new word starts with that. So let's try this. The name's custom built GPTs. What? You are an AI. This GPT is an AI that names custom built GPTs. Please don't give us metanamer AI. Ooh, Namerator. Damn, that's good. All right. A GPT designed to generate names for other custom-built GPTs. Let's copy that. We might just generate a couple of these and see what we get. Moniker mind. Yeah, no. Ah. Oh, perfect. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh, why is that still pasted? Jesus, do I even know how to use a computer? All right, I like Namerator. Give me a GPT, the description of a GPT, and I'll name it. Give it a name. Give me the description of a GPT and I'll give it a name. Namerator. That's pretty solid. I want to test it out a little bit. So I'm just going to publish only to me right now. So I'll be the only person who can see it. Boom. All right. So let's go back to some of these. I wonder how easy it's going to be. This is my main one, Prompt Perfect. I'm going to see if I can copy that easily. Let's see. Oh, shit. Automatically refines prompts for precision. Can I do that with inspect? God. Precision, context, and detail. Prompt sharpener. Now, it went CamelCase. This is not supposed to go CamelCase. Let's see what happens. Go back here. Sometimes... Oh. Why? There we go. I forgot. I didn't realize that was in there. You take in a description and create a name that is unique. It should be short and should not be CamelCase. Let's just go back to the bottom. Yeah, why am I editing in there? Please don't forget the name you output cannot be in CamelCase. Thank you. It's always good to be nice. Don't forget to be nice. So let's update, confirm, boom. Now let's just view. Automatically refines prompts for context, detail, and background information. Let's see the name we get. Promptel. Blend of prompt and elaborate. Promptel. I like it. Let's see what happens if we do a quick little regeneration. I don't want to... it's CamelCase again. Why are we doing CamelCase? It really wants us to name it Prompt Refiner. Let's test this out. Jesus Christ, this is going to be the edit GPT. If there are multiple words, put spaces between them. Okay. I wonder if I could just do it here. Automatically refines prompts for detail, context, detail, and background info. Prompt all. Okay, there we go. We got a space. Love it. Absolutely love it. If I could copy and paste it, this would be way easier. Okay, let's go back to prompt perfect here and say perfect, generate a logo for Namerator. Actually, how is it even spelled? Namerator. It should be a simple icon logo with a flat design using straight and clean lines. Capture the essence of an app that names other apps. Let's see what happens here. And if you haven't watched these before, Prompt Perfect basically takes in this prompt. It automatically refines it for context, detail, and background information, and then it sends that prompt back right there, and ChatGPT will answer it. So for here, it's going to... I could go into my backend and show you what it refined the prompt to right now, or I could just ask it, like, what did you refine the prompt to? Let's see. And I find prompt, please design a logo for Namerator that embodies the concept of an app that generates names for other apps. Boom. Love that. Let's paste this in here. Now let's just do that. We don't have to do that, but I don't want words on here. Do not put any words or verbiage on the image generated. I just want the icon logo. Actually, let's perfect it again too and see what happens. Might as well fuck around. I gotta say, I've been pretty happy with the logos we've been getting. Let's take a look at this guy. Yeah, the Describio and the Title Crafter logos are pretty clean. pretty clean. Like, yeah, Describio's sweet. This one's dope. I've used Midjourney for other other logos in the past, which is cool. But I'm liking this, and I'm thinking very soon we will do a GPT where you put in variations of that without the namerator, and that represent concepts behind it. Let's use that again. What is happening here? Why is the button like that? There we go. Buggy. Also doesn't help that I'm using Inspector. I've got to figure out better ways to screen share for this. It's all very new, third day. Very cool to see like 15 people watch the first ones. Love to see it. What was the last perfected prompt? I want to see that after it. Also, this logo, I guess Namerator, it's tough. I don't really know what I would design for Namerator, like a name tag. Okay, let's see what the last perfected prompt. So let's go up here and do, I wonder how easy it would be to copy all this. Lovely, lovely. Wonder if I can just find Dolly real quick. Now we're talking. Kick this. Let's do a little paste action. Please remember Namerator that embodies the concept of an app that generates name for other apps. Do not include verbiage or the Namerator and the logo. We don't need that. All right, let's see what this does. Sometimes it's good to start over a new chat just to give it a clean slate where there's no context being sent to the model for any requests. Generating logos. Yeah, but I want to also have a GPT that generates the descriptions from the instructions. Okay, not too bad. Create variations based off the second logo. And then let's see what we got. Yeah, I'd love to build another GPT that generates the descriptions when you give it the instructions. And then maybe something that generates instructions, but also generating the logo would be cool. Generating like a boilerplate base so the configure part of building a GPT is interesting, but it's not perfect. So, there's so many fun GPTs to build. I'll be doing this for a while. Namerator app maintains roast down. You output only the bottom left variation. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, many GPTs to be built. So, buckle up. It'll be fun in like 3 months to come back and be like, what does the suite of GPTs have? I'm going to have to build an entire web page, which maybe I would do with a GPT, or maybe just a bonus thing. But building a website that shows off all the GPTs with links to them would be super fun. Because if we keep going, if we do at least 5 a week, I mean, that's 20 a month. 40, 60 by the end. Oh my goodness. Let's do this. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna bring this in and go. Oh, which one do we love? I kind of like. So many light bulbs. Let's do this guy. He clean. Crop. Safe. Do this. Let's go a little deep in the weeds here and go. I really like the logo I've attached. Generate a higher resolution version, please. And hopefully this will just give us a single logo. Not, like once I ask for variations, now it clearly thinks I want variations for every generation. Let's see if it does it now. Yeah, I hope not. Yes, there we go. So it's funny, the way ChatGPT works is, it's going to be sending it this photo with this prompt, but there's also the context of this entire conversation that's also getting sent to it. And based on that, it's trying to figure out what to do. So that's why it takes a little longer sometimes, and then you compound. Oh, baby. I like this. That's a good one. Hell yeah. Upload photo. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, Namerator. Give me the description of GPT and I'll give it a name. It's sweet. So I think it works pretty well. Let's give it a GPT that creates 3 title options for YouTube videos. What do you have? Title Crafter was one of them. Title Trio. That generates a title for your YouTube video. Oh, did we stump it? Oh, that's CamelCase. Why are we doing CamelCase? Are any of these examples CamelCase? No, it's so weird. I would love to spend an hour figuring this out. Let's see. Please name custom build sheet. Maybe it's the fact. Please name apps based on the descriptions given. There's some type. You only take in a description, an app, something into a description of an app. Please promise I don't do that. Give me an app description so I can name it. For naming. Also still the typos, man. You can't be having typos. For naming apps. Alright. Cool. What do we say? Okay, CamelCase, title tune. Not the best name I've ever seen. Not the worst. One fun thing you can do when you're actually playing with the published one, creates titles for YouTube videos based on descriptions. Vid titler, love it. Let's see if I can get it to CamelCase. It's funny, it might have been camel casing because of GPTs, because there's other GPTs that are camel cased. Like if we go in here and look at some of these, nope, these all have spaces. That's so dumb. Why was it camel casing? VidScribe, not bad. But yeah, this is a fun thing you can do if you're not getting something you like, you can hit regenerate. So maybe I'll add that in there into the description. Don't like your name, hit regenerate. I want to try one more thing. I think that should have copied it. Let's just go to regular. Based on your knowledge of custom instructions for the OpenAI API, which is what a lot of this is. OpenAI is an API that you build. It's like a chat completions endpoint. It's probably a little more than we need to go into today. What updates would you make to these instructions in triple quotes? Oh, let's see. Okay. Clarify what is meant by a unique name. Adding a few more diverse examples could help. Name, reason for name, follow. Encourage creative outputs. Oh, shit. Here's a list of examples. I wish I could see this better. Please name apps based on descriptions given. I specialize in naming apps and descriptions. If you have anything other than an app description, I encourage you to provide an app description so I can assist you effectively. Interesting. Let's see what happens if we do that. I do want to save all of this first. So let's just get in here, do a little copy. Boom. Like it, love it. All right, let's go back up to the top. I want to keep these examples. Riveting stuff, I know. Oh shit, what did I do? Let's get down to that. Okay, here's examples. Nope, it's not what I wanted at all. Just go like this. Let's Google inspect things. Fucking dumb. All right. App that name generates titles for a YouTube video based on the description. Yeah. No. Let's go back to this. I like the ones who are getting way more than this. Cool. Cool. Oh, I gotta go through and do this for each one. This is the fun of building AI apps. It's a lot of, feels like you're a data entry person a lot of times. And, you know, I could, if this recording software was different and I wasn't doing Google Inspect right now, this would be a different ball game. That'd be a little faster. But I think where we're at is good for me. I liked what we were getting before that little experiment. I also like some of the things we've got going on. Cool. All right, let's see if we get CamelCase. Bam. Title trend. Ooh, there we go. Nice. So we got a logo, we got the Namerator, description of GPT. Ugh, what is this? No. Am I still recording? Cool. Generate for boilerplate. For simple boilerplate example prompts for an app with these custom instructions. See if we get some good ones. Oh, I like it. God damn it. Ooh, this would be fun to see what comes up. Also, there's another way you could generate examples, which is fun. I'm gonna stop inspecting real quick. At least this one. That way I can copy these way easier. Boom. This is gonna be fun. There we go. All right, sweet. Those saved, which is good. Let's update. I want to visit it real quick. It's very easy to get caught up in doing these. 40 minutes flies by, dude. So fast. View GPT. Sweet. Now we have these. Let's see what happens. Oh! Perfect timing. So apparently I've used GPT-4 too much during this video, but kind of perfect timing, because otherwise I'd have to stop and come back. But we have Namerator in the books. I'm going to make it public, and then I'll put the link in the bottom here. Test it out. Appreciate you watching. We'll be back to build more. If you like it, let me know, comment or whatever, or I'll get an email at some point. If you wanted to, you could just reach out at heyo@promptperfect.xyz for now if you wanted, but we'll get a dedicated email at some point. And let's take a look. We'll finish it here. Namerator. All right, bye.